Boy, here we go. Week 3. We are in the AIMS competition cycle and we're making progress. You'll see on the screen here, we've got game design set up. The GDD should be done, that you're still working on potentially, but you want to wrap that up. The Trello board needs to be built. We'll be talking about that on Monday, all the tasks that should go in there. And your role teams, we'll be talking about that. By the way, that'll be the same for film, and we are doing it slightly different with School of Rock. I'll come back to that in a moment. So all the yellow stuff is stuff that needs to get done. So obviously GDD is not yellow. It should be completed. But the idea is that that should be done. Then you move into the Trello board, putting in all the tasks we need for our first scrum, which starts today, if you're watching this today on Monday. And then we're filling in the rest of the stuff. So your goal will be written up here. This is the stuff we've done before. Put your role here that you're on your team with, and who's, something that you're going to be learning from to achieve your SMART goal, a thing that you want to do that stretches you, that process, the person who's good at it and stretch another person, or exemplary work could go here. So you could cite maybe a YouTube play of something showing the example of it, or it could be screenshots or something like that, or images online. And then how are you going to actually do it? Specific step by step. All right. Again, all that process. Then write out your SMART goal the way it's supposed to be written out. And just a reminder, the template is at the top using a music example, but the process. I copy and paste this all the way down. You are just changing the bold uppercase stuff. Change that. You can see a couple examples here. In fact, I can go in here and I can turn these to not yellow. Okay. And all the stuff that's in here, like this stuff right here. I know you're probably watching this going, why are we watching Leduc do this? Because I'm showing you how I do this. Yellow is just to get your attention on what needs to be accomplished. And then when it's done, you can turn the yellow off. This is helping us as a class help each other out and know what's done and what's needs to be finished and so on and so forth. Now over here, this will be true for both film classes and game design classes, is that you're filling in all the stuff in the blog. So the pre-production section is due by Friday. So you figure out when throughout the week you're going to get this stuff done. Obviously, you'll spend your time working on what you need to. Okay. And if I go over to film, it's very similar. You can see here's period 3. We've got stuff filled in. Yellow stuff still needs to be taken care of. Ooh, that's done. And then Trello boards will be built. That'll be happening at the beginning of the week. Fill in the rest of the stuff, set your SMART goal, all this stuff. Do this first, all this stuff first, then go to your blog and fill out the stuff. The idea is you're just copy and pasting these things into your blog. Should make blogging stuff go way easier. You are taking notes like we've always done on your resource that you're using to learn from. As always, blog stuff is in Schoology like we've done. So just a reminder that anytime you look at an assignment, if it relates to the blog, the what, the why, the where, the how will always have a link to the template. And the template, you've worked on this, is the 4th time we're doing it. So copy and paste this in and fill in all the stuff. So voila, same old stuff. The only difference is School of Rock has a slightly different template for SMART goals, and they already know that. So wrapping up all this stuff, each class has similar kind of things. Take a look at the yellow stuff, get this stuff done. March 29th, end of the week, these things are due. I will be assessing all the bloggy stuff over spring break. So, yeah. All right. It's going to be a good week. Have a good one.